Today I'm gonna show you how to make a beat selling website from scratch all the way to the end. We're not gonna skip anything. I'm gonna take you guys step by step with me. So at the end of this video, you're gonna have a website looking like this for free. You know what I'm saying? I'm your boy Reggie Beats. Welcome back to my channel. This is where you get all you need to know and more about selling beats online and making money as a music producer. Let's get it. So for this tutorial, we're gonna be using WordPress. And if you don't have WordPress set up already, there's a link in the pop-up up there. You should just click on that link and pause this one. It takes like 5 seconds to set up your WordPress, then get back on the video so we can get it. Alright, cool. So if you remember WordPress, right, this is our dashboard. This is our tools that we're gonna use. This is for the posts, which is the blogs, the media, which is whatever files you upload, you can upload it through here. This is the pages. These are the pages for our website. This is the comments if you have your blogs active or products. Appearance is how we change how the website looks. Plugins, this is where we extend out the functionality of our website. Users, if you have users signed up. Tools and more tools and settings. So we're gonna be focused on a few today. So we're gonna look at this one here where there's a house where it says visit website. If you hover over this is the name of your website. You should just check it by the house icon. You hover over it, you'll see it says visit website. Just right click and open a new link so that we don't really replace this page, because we're gonna go back to it. This is how our beat selling website is looking right now. Hey, it's looking pretty bad. Now I'm saying it's looking pretty bad. So let's go back and close this, or we can keep it open so we can just refresh every time when we do make a change. So let me open it again. You can just have these two tabs open. Now the first thing we're gonna do is just select a theme, because to develop in WordPress, it's always better to start with a theme. You get a theme and then you customize the theme, and luckily we have some free dope themes. So let's go down to appearance, go to themes, and we're gonna say add new, because currently we have this 2023 theme. We want to add our own theme. So when you click on add theme, you'll see Hello Elementor. If you don't see Hello Elementor, just search right there, you'll find it. Click on install. This is the theme you're gonna be using. It's a great theme. It uses the Elementor website builder. Click on activate once it's done installing. Okay, cool. So now we have our theme installed, and you can see right here we have this announcement bar that says thanks for installing the Hello Elementor theme. The Hello Elementor theme is a lightweight starter theme that works perfectly with Elementor award-winning page builder. Shout out. Once you download the plugin, you are one click away from building an amazing website, and you need to install the Elementor plugin for your website to work. So let's click on install. Okay, great. Once it's done installing, click on activate. Okay, cool. So this is where things get a bit interesting, because Elementor helps you set up your website quicker. Previously, I used to skip this process, but I don't skip it anymore because it really makes the process way shorter. So you have to create an account, a free account for Elementor. If you already have one, just click on connect to your account. I'm gonna click on connect to my account because I already have one, and we're gonna get the free Elementor. Okay, so I'm gonna connect. Okay, cool. Since now my website is connected with Elementor, I'm able to now start giving my website a name. So we'll call it my beat store, and you're gonna click on next. So now if you have a logo for your website, you can add it now, but if you don't have it, you can add it at a later stage. I don't have it now because I just made this up now, so I'm gonna click on skip. And now, so there's another option. You are done setting up. Now you need to get started with Elementor. So you can either get started with a blank Elementor canvas, which means that it's a blank website, or you can browse from the 100 templates. I feel like it's really smarter to use templates, because even if you use templates, you still have to edit those templates, and editing those templates will teach you how those templates were made. So I'm gonna go with browse from 100 templates, the free ones. I'm gonna click that. Now we see here we have all these free templates. So we're looking for something that we can really start with, something easy and blank, lightweight, So let's keep on scrolling. I'll show you when I see one that I feel like will work. This looks nice. This looks nice for real. Portfolio wireframe. Because you see here, that's where you're gonna have the banner and the button buy beats, and then down here we'll replace with beats. Let's check if there's more. There's also this one, which looks a bit better as well because it has the services, but you can see the headlines are the same. I mean the headings or the headers. So we're gonna go with this local service wireframe 2. It's free, so you click on it, and this is how it looks. Nice. It's a nice startup for our website. So we're gonna click on apply kit. Then, I mean, everything we've been doing is been free. Then click on apply all, enable. Just give it some seconds. Okay, great. Now it says the site is set up. So let's just refresh our page. Now we see. Okay, cool. You see that the website, I mean the template has been applied. So now we're gonna edit this template. That's great. You're gonna go back to Elementor and close it. Shout out to Elementor. This import wizard of theirs made things very easy, because now when you go to our pages, you'll see that we already have a couple of pages that came with the template. So right now we want to edit the home page, right? I think we should, let's edit the home page and then we're gonna add the header after. So here's the home page. You can just click on view or click on edit, but then once you can view it, you'll be able to edit it. You'll see you have this bar on top. Just click on edit with Elementor. Okay, click on continue. Okay, cool. Now we are here on the page, and you can see Elementor is a drag and drop builder. If you look at here at the top, these are all the widgets that Elementor has, and here it's your page. You see, if I hover over any section, I see this edit button, meaning that I can edit whatever that I see on this page. So the first that I want to edit, I think we need to put a background picture over this to give it a studio feel. And you see this is a section. How do you see the section? Because here at the top you can see there's this 6 dots, and you can see once I hover over it, you can see the edge and the border. You know, if you see the border goes all the way here, so it means that the section ends around here. So if you want to change this section background, you click on the section, just left click it, and you'll see here on the left, this is where our options are gonna appear. So whatever you click on here, the options are gonna appear this side. Then you're gonna go to style, and then you're gonna go to background type. We are gonna have an image, so choose an image. You can upload an image. I think I might have one image here already. No, I don't. So I'll have to go upload an image. I'm gonna select an image. Let's see. Well, I wanna put something that has the studio feel. Yeah, this is dope. And by the way, this is my setup. This is my engineer right here. Looks super dope. Alright, cool. Once it's uploaded, click on select. Okay, cool. Now you see the background covered only the section because we selected the section. Of course, right now you can't really see the text and all that, so we're gonna put a background overlay. Okay, so you can still click here. If the setting disappear, you see there's background overlay. Now we're gonna go to background overlay, choose a type, classic, and then you're gonna choose a color that you want to overlay. So you can click here, so you can choose the color by picking it. So we're looking for something that can, that I'm saying. So yeah, we're gonna look for a good color. So we just check, just move around until you see one that strikes the eye. This blue is not bad, so let's see. Let's keep on moving until okay, I'm gonna first try this blue, and I might change it as time goes because there's no rules, you know what I'm saying. This is my website, I'm going to do whatever on it. So cool. Now let's change this text as well. Click on edit, so you know what, I think let me change the text color first to, let's say, white, because it's easier for white to blend with a lot. Okay, that's good. Now I can go back and try to change this background color again, background overlay, we're definitely gonna get it, you know. So I'm gonna change the opacity and give it more opacity as well, so the background can be a bit less visible. Okay, now let's keep on checking. I feel like we are almost there. Okay. Yeah, I like that. And this color here, let's see what we can change this color, because now it disappeared. So let's say maybe, okay, let's try, let's just move around and see. We can okay, oh, this looks nice. So it means now these are the colors, white and yellow. So here, the background color of this, let me copy this color as well so that I can just copy and paste. The button as well, if I want to change the design, click on it, then we're gonna go to style, and then you see background type is that background color. I'm gonna paste the value that I copied. Okay, cool, now it's yellow, but let's just try and make it, yeah, like I think a bit of a dark yellow. Yes, not dark yellow, but an orangey type of yellow. Then now the text color, we need to make it black, so we're gonna scroll down. Text color, here it is. Yeah, it's currently white. I make it black. Nice. Now you see when you hover over it, it becomes blue, and we don't like that. So you're gonna actually go to select where it says hover, and then when it hovers, the text color becomes blue. Nah, text color must become white when you hover over this. Yeah, and the background color, let's make it black once you hover over that. Not bad. It's actually not black, it's kinda like blue. Let's try make it black and see, because that blue. Okay, now let's make it white and make the text black. Not bad. Okay, cool. So now we can change the text here. So we can say hot, let me just call it my beat what the hell, my beat store. Now say hottest beats in the industry, and then here it might just say listen to beats. So when somebody clicks on listen to beats, you want to bring them here, because this is where you're gonna add the beats where it says my services. So you see here where it says my services, let's click on it. Maybe we might need to make some services at the end, so we're gonna duplicate it first because we want to change its content. So right click on it, and then they should be duplicate, yes, and then now we can change. So now we have two of them. So if you mess up this one, we still got the other one. Now we're gonna go to our service and change the text to beats. So this section here, right, this is gonna be we're gonna put our beats on. So this section right here, we're gonna give it an ID. So click on it and go to advanced. Actually go to no advanced, yes, and where it says CC ID, just type beats, because we want to be able to link this section to the button. You'll see now when I go to the button, when it says there's a border color here that I need to remove on the button. So let me go to style and remove it quickly. No border. Nice. And now when you go to the button, right, and you go to the link, we want to link this to this section. So right here, just paste name of the section, which is beats, and put a hash before it. So remember, we named this beats like on the custom ID. So you'll see now when I update this, when I click on this, it comes to beats, you know. So yeah, our home page doesn't look bad. We're still gonna adjust a couple of things as we go, you know, move around a couple of things, but so far so good. Okay, cool. So now we need to change our header here, and since we are using the free Elementor plugin, we'll have to do something so that we can be able to, we'll have to install a plugin so we can be able to change our header. So let's just update and go to exit, and then just say you can choose, you want to decide, just say decide later. Okay, now we going back to plugins. This is where you add new plugins, add new functionalities. So plugins, click on add new, and then here search for Elementor header. Alright, then it should pop up. Great, there it is, with 1 million active installations, 5 stars. Wow. Install. Shout out to Brainforce Storm and Nikhil Chavan. You guys are the real MVPs. Activate. Okay, once it's done activated, we're gonna go to appearance, and you'll see now we have this option that says Elementor header and footer builder. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're gonna click on add new. We're starting with the header. So I'm a WordPress, I'm building. We can skip this, and then we're gonna select the type of template. We want to do a header and display on entire website, and then the rules, I mean anybody can see this header, unless if when somebody logs in you want them to see a different header, then you can make multiple headers. So yeah, then from here, once you're done, just give it a name there. Let's just say header menu, or you can just say header, it's fine. Then you click on publish. Then after publishing, now you're gonna go to edit with Elementor. That's where it gets exciting now. Click on edit Elementor. Alright, so now we're on this page where we're gonna design our header. So we're gonna add, click on the plus. Let's choose a structure. So let's say we're gonna have a we can say we have a logo and a menu. Probably maybe at the end we could have like a button or something. Yeah, but you can choose the structure. I think this one even looks better. Okay, now you see here's our structure. It's our column with 3 columns. Here we're gonna put the logo. So just click on that menu sign here by Elementor and search for logo, site logo. So click site logo and drag it and drop it in there. Currently mine doesn't show anything because we don't have a logo yet, and we're gonna fix that. And here we're gonna put the menu. So search for menu. Here's menu right here. Click it and drag it and drop it here. There's the menu right now. It's so big. We'll edit that. And here we could put, let's just say, a button. Yeah, and then, or we don't need a button. I think we don't need anything there. We'll just leave it there so that it can keep the same design. So first thing first, of course, this is too big. We need to edit this and make it smaller. So just click on that edit there on the pencil and go to style, and now the text typography, which is here. Then you're gonna make it smaller and smaller. Yeah, and we need to center it, you know. So let's check if there's an option to center this. There should be. Layout, there we go. Alignment. Now we're in the center, we're good. So since we don't have a logo yet, right, we're just gonna put a picture, any other picture. So let's delete this and just search for image. I'm gonna go look for some of my logos that I have. Oh yeah, I already have one here, the ReggieBeats logo. I'll put the ReggieBeats logo there. You can see it's a bit too big right now. We go to style, and then height. No, I think it's max width. Then you make it the nice size. Then there we go. Then let's update it. Let's see how it currently looks here. Great, looks way better than before, but this color is not nice. We need to change the color of the text. So the color, we're gonna go to text color, style, and go to the color. Let's just make it black, and the text is still a bit too big, so let's still change the size of it again. Gonna go to typography, keep going down. Yeah, but as we go, we might put something here, and we might also change the background color of the menu and make it black, which is easy. You just click on this, go to style, and then you go to background color, make it black, which is just the website's black, you know, but you can make it like real black, just like this. And you can change the text color here to white, and let's see, there we go. And then let's update and see how it looks like, but then it doesn't look nice, we're going back to the normal option. Okay, not bad at all, just that the menu could have been longer, had more stuff. But just comment in the section below whether you like it with this white background or black background. But I think the white background was better. Let me just undo. Oh, to undo you just have to go here where it says history, then we're gonna keep on undoing until we get to what we want, yeah, which was here. And this text still needs a bit of change. Let's try and make it, yeah, not too bold. Yeah, you know, it needs to be a bit light. So let's see how the white one looks like. Okay, so yeah, I like this one better, you know, but yeah, we'll change as you go. So now we're going to the beat section now. So the beat section, I feel like we need to do it in two ways. We need to do it in a way in which we embed a BeatStars player. Why? Because I always feel like having BeatStars as your player, it makes it easy for you to actually maintain your website and upload as much beats as possible, because you don't need to think about a lot of things, and it doesn't make your website heavy. So if you want to upload your beats straight to your WordPress website, that's also fine. But I feel like if you really want to move as light and as quick as possible, it would be nice to just use a BeatStars player or an Airbit player. But guess what, we're gonna do both methods. Alright, cool. So click on edit now. I'm gonna go to BeatStars, because now we're gonna embed my BeatStars player. Go to beatstars.com. Alright, cool. Now I need to go to my media and go to players, and I can create a player. It's very easy to do so. I already have my players. I'll just choose one player. Let's say maybe I'll choose the trap beats. Let me choose the all beats player. Alright, cool. This is my player, and you can even customize this player by clicking customize, but I'm gonna take mine the way it is, and I'm gonna copy this, right, and I'm gonna come and paste it. Then I'm gonna have to come and paste it on our page. So we're gonna scroll down where it says beats. We're gonna remove all this. Maybe you can keep that, but let's remove it. Remove this too, and we're gonna add HTML. Search for HTML, click it and drag it and drop it here. Then we paste. Oh, paste. Boom. Now we're gonna see our beat player right here. But as you can see, it's tilted to the side. You need to get it right in the middle. I'm gonna go to my website, because in my website I made it in the middle. You know, there's no need in reinventing the wheel. I'm just gonna copy the code that I did here on my website. As you'll see, it's currently in the middle. I'll also just click on edit. Okay, cool. I'll go and click on edit to see my code here, and this is the code that I put here so it can be in the middle. I'm gonna copy everything and paste it, but I will have this in the description below, so you wouldn't need to stress about it. And I'm gonna come back here and paste it, and then the iframe code that I had from my beat store, I'll just copy it and remove this current one that was on the Reggie Beats beat store. Then click paste. Now everything should be in the middle. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. This is my beat store, and here are my beats. And I think even here at the button below, let me just copy this, because you can copy the style of a button. Right click, copy, and then I'm gonna paste that style on this button. And I click the paste style. Now it has that same color. So yeah, here's our first beats here. We might just need to work around the spaces, you know, make the spaces less. We can just click on these buttons here and take the section a bit up. We can go to style, settings, and then the top, you can see there's already a margin there. We can get rid of that margin. It's the one that's creating that big space. Now it can be like this. Let's see. Yeah, not bad. And even this, you can make it just a bit smaller with the style, and we can make some padding around it so it's not just glued onto the beads. Okay, cool. Now here we have our beads. Let's update and let's go see how our website is looking right now. Just my bead store, my bead.store. Oh, do copy, paste. Okay, listen to beads. Great, nice. Now we have our bead store here as well. Okay, so I'll have to cut this video right here and I'm gonna upload the next one. You know, when you guys want it enough, just comment in the comment section below if you want me to upload the second part, which is us creating a bead store using WordPress. You know, so you're not gonna be using BeatStars or Airbit. It will just be WordPress using WooCommerce and Sonar MP3 Player Pro. So if you want to see that video, let me know in the description below and I'm gonna hit that video ASAP. Either way, I'm gonna record it because I feel like some of you have to learn that video. And just make sure that you have the MP3 Player Pro and the Sonar MP3 Player Pro to take your beat selling website to the next level. Let's get it.